Hello friends, welcome to UPSC Logics, and in this particular video we shall have a look at the Pitt's India Act 1784. So this was the next act which came into line with the Regulating Act of 1773. So let us have a look at the Pitt's India Act and what it was all about. So let us have a little introduction about the Pitt's India Act, why this act was important. Number one was the company's territories for the first time were called British possessions in India. And number two was the British government was given the supreme control over the company's affairs and its administration in India. So it was through this act the British government took over the company affairs. And this was the first time that the company's territories were called British possessions in India. So let us have a look at the features. There are four main features of this particular act. Number one was establishment of a board of control consisting of 6 members to supervise and control the government of India. Number two was giving to the Court of Directors the right to make all appointments in India and recall them. Number three was reduction of the members of Executive Councils of Governor General to 3 from 4 in order to make him more powerful and efficient. We have already seen in the Regulating Act of 1773 that there was a council or executive council formed for the Governor General with 4 members, and these were reduced to 3 in the Pitt's India Act. Then number 4 point was a clear-cut subordination of Bombay and Madras presidencies to the Governor General in Council. In all questions of diplomacy, war and revenue was given. So the Madras and Bombay presidencies, as we have seen in the 1773 Act, were placed under the Governor General of Bengal. And in this particular act, this feature was clear-cut demarcated. So let us have a look at a question in regards to the Pitt's India Act of 1784. Which of the following statements are true about the Pitt's India Act of 1784? Number one was it established a board of control consisting of 6 members. Absolutely correct. Then increased the number of members in the Council of Governor General. This is wrong. We know it had decreased. It had come to 3 from 4. Gave the Court of Directors right to appoint and recall officials in India. This is absolutely correct. Laid down that the Supreme Court of Calcutta had no jurisdiction over the Governor General and his council in discharge of public duties. This is not correct. And number 5 is clear subordination of Madras and Bombay presidencies to the Governor General in council in certain matters. This is absolutely correct. So the answer is 1, 3 and 5. Correct option is D. So friends, this brings us to the end of the Pitt's India Act 1784. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are watching it for the first time, do like and subscribe to this channel. In case you are watching it and you haven't pressed the bell icon, do press the bell icon, because that way you'll get the new notifications from UPSC Logics as soon as the video is uploaded. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day, and Jai Hind.